What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Notion with Google Calendar. So let's get started. First off, head over to Google or any browser. In the search bar, type in Notion, or if you want to come through link, just type in notion.com. So you will be welcome to this homepage of Notion. After that, if you want to create a new account, just simply click on Get Notion for free and you can create a new account. I have already created an account on Notion, so I'll just simply log in. As you can see, I am inside my account and this is my recent project. Now, on your top left, this is your profile page. Just simply click on it and then click on Settings. After that, click on Connections on the left side. And then on the right side, click on this first option of Browse Connections in Gallery. Now this will open a new page. In this gallery, just search for an extension called ToSync. So here you can see ToSync. Now ToSync is an integration that works as a plug and play partner between Notion and your Google Calendar. So first off, we will learn some more about this integration. Just simply click on Learn More. So now in this, you can select a two-way sync with Notion with different applications like Google Tasks two-way sync with Notion, Google Calendar two-way sync with Notion, To-Do List, Google Contacts with two-way sync in Notion. For this video and for example here, I'll just simply select Google Calendar two-way sync with Notion. And then you'll see the option of Connect Google Calendar. Just simply click on it. Just simply choose your account and then click on Continue. Now you have to select that what you want from Google Calendars to your Notion. For now, I'll select all and then click on Continue. After that, I'll just simply check this. So this will tell me all the holidays which will come to Google Calendar. It will tell me even in the Notion. Then I'll simply click on Continue. Second, let's connect your Notion account. Click on Connect with Notion. So this will establish a connection with Notion. This asks about us for the permissions. Simply click on Next. I'll just give the permission to use a template provided by the developer. And just allow access. Now this is connecting to my Notion. Notion is connected. Just simply click on Continue. And in the field mapping, you have to choose the connection sync that is one way only to Notion or two-way sync between both Notion and Google Calendar and one-way sync and one-way link to Google Calendar. I'll simply check two-way sync and I'll click on it. I will just match with the two-way sync. And I'll just simply refresh all the fields. After that, I'll simply click on Continue. Now it is asking me that if I want to filter any items, I'll just simply click on Continue and then Continue again. Here is a bit tweaks that if you want to add a Notion link below every description, you can just turn on this feature so it will add Notion link to every description. But for now, I don't want it. I'll just simply click on Continue. And this is the most important step to test your synchronization. Just simply click on Test Synchronization. So this will send a synchronization testing message. or you can even skip your test, but I'd recommend that you must do a test synchronization. And boom, as you can see, we synced one calendar events. So in the calendar, I have kept a meeting for tomorrow and it synced it with the meeting with the calendar and it sent it to the Notion. I'll just click on continue. And here you can start your automation by just paying a bit of premium. You can even get a 14-day money back guarantee. So this is how you can sync Notion with Google Calendar. And that was all for this video. Thank you for watching.